So today we are going to see another one experiment. So that is we are going to simulate the transmission of ping messages over a network topology that is consisting of six or more than six nodes. Okay. So as you know that you are going to use the ICMP messages, that is the Internet Control Message Protocol. Okay. So here we are going to use the ping messages here in a particular network. So for this here I am going to build one star topology. Okay. So already I have executed the dispatcher. Already it is running. Coordinator is also running in one terminal, and another one terminal. I have executed the command and NS client. So this window is going to be displaying. Okay. So now here I am going to take a one particular switch here. Okay. You take the switch here and next select the node. Okay, so just go on placing the nodes here. 3, 4, 5 and the 6. So totally 6 nodes are there. Now you have to establish a connectivity here. So this is the star topology to the switch, that is a point-to-point connectivity you are going to establish. So in this way you connect all the nodes. Okay, then you go to the edit mode. So it is going to ask you, that is choose a file name. Okay, so now here it is that you have to go to this location /user local nctns /tools. In that I have created a folder called as CN lab experiment. Okay, so in that you have to give the name. Okay, so here I am going to give you the name. So here it is a experiment exp RIMENT experiment 6. Okay, experiment 6, give the extension .tpl, experiment 6.tpl. Click on the save button. Okay, so now you have saved this. Now there is no need to type any particular commands here. That is no need to set up any commands on the node editor. Okay, so what you have to do is that, so during the run mode, open the command console here and just use the ping command. Okay, choose any one of the node which is presented in this. Okay, so ping to that particular node. So for that, the node which you wanted to ping, you first check the IP address. Okay, if I want to ping to this node, okay, what is IP address? 1.0.1.3. Okay, if you want to ping to this, what is the IP address? Okay, here the IP address is 1. It is going to show you the IP address 1.0.1.2. Okay, the IP address is 1.0.1.4. IP address is 1.0.1.5. 1.0.1.6. Okay, any node which you wanted to ping, you first check the IP address. Okay, select one node and then in the command console, you open the command console and execute the ping command. So for that here I have some changes here. I am going to make it into that. You go to the settings here. Okay, in the simulation. So here I am going to increase the simulation time. Already I have increased here simulation time to 1000 here. Okay, so this is I have increased. Okay, because we need a time for in the command console to type the command ping and to execute. Okay, so that's why I have just increased the simulation time and then click on the OK button. Now you go to the R. Now go to the simulation, then run. Okay, now your simulation is started. Immediately click one of the node, double click on that, click on the command console. Okay, here it is going to displaying here. So now give the command ping 1.0.1.6. this is the IP address here which I have given. Okay, you just see it here, there is a 64 bytes from that which you are going to receiving here. Okay, so in this way here you have been pinged to that a particular node with the IP address 1.0.1.6. you are going to getting a reply from that. Okay, so still the analysis. So this is you have to do it in the run mode only. Okay, you have to execute it in the run mode, that is before the simulation is done. So before that in only, okay, when you have clicked on the simulation run, at that time only you have to select any one of that particular node and then double click on that, click on the command console. Okay, the command console will be open, then type the command ping and type the name of type the IP address of any one node which you wanted to ping. Okay, so after that you are going to get the messages over there. So once your simulation time is over, the sound simulation is going to be done. So file transfer are want to be, so here it is going to show. Okay, so there is no use traffic here. Okay, so here we are not going to any commands we have been written here, so we are not going to get any particular information. So if you want if you wanted to analyze any particular drop of the packets and all, okay, so you have to double click on that node. Okay, and then go to the Mac layer and select any log file which you wanted to you drop or anything. Okay, so that one you are going to get it into the results file. Okay, so this is all about this particular experiment. So thank you very much.